Hello guys, it's me, Sir Yabs TV. So this time, let's solve basic number problem. Okay? So we have example number 1. So the sum of three consecutive number is 48. Then find the numbers. Okay? So that means three consecutive number. So siya yung mga number na tatlong magkasunod na number. Okay? Pag i-add daw natin, magiging 48. So ano kaya yung mga numbers na yun? Okay? So this example is useful for college algebra or algebra. Okay? So to do this, let x, okay, assign tayo ng variable. So if our x is first number, okay? So that means x is the first number. Then if we have second number, so yung first number natin, mag-plus lang tayo ng 1 to make it consecutive. So x plus 1 is our second number. Okay, other one. So mayroon pa tayong pangatlong number because 3 consecutive yung problem natin. So we have si x. Pag mag-plus 1 tayo kay x, siya yung kasunod ng first number. Okay? For example, our first number is 15. Example. So 15 plus 1 or x plus 1 equals the second number. So 16. So ganun yun. Then we have x plus 2. So that means our x plus 1 plus 1 ka pa, magiging x plus 2 na. So x plus 2 is our third number. Take note, these expressions are useful for our equation kasi gagawa tayo ng equation coming from our problem to solve the value of x or to solve the first, second, third number. Okay? So this is our solution. Okay? So solution natin, we have first value. So ito na yung equation natin with the help of our problem. So 3 consecutive number or the sum of 3 consecutive number, meaning si x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Okay? So that is our 3 consecutive number. I-add natin yung result niya or by yung is na word equals yan. Yung katumbas niya. So therefore, equals 48. So ito na yung equation natin. So we have x plus x plus x magiging 3x. Then yung 1 at saka 2 plus, so magiging 3. So plus 3 equals 48. So yung positive 3, transpose natin sa right. So bring down 3x equals, bring down 48. Then transpose si positive 3, magiging minus 3. So we have 3x equals 48 minus 3. The result is 45. Then to solve the value of x, divide lang natin sa both sides by 3. Okay, so cancelled out. That means x na lang equals 45. Divide 3 is 15. So that means our x, coming from our definition, so that is our first number. Okay, so meron na tayong first number. So si 15. Now, so ano kaya yung next ng 15? So that means 16. So solve lang natin by the use of our expression x plus 1. So x is 15 plus 1 equals 16. So 16 is our second number. Okay? So meron na tayong dalawang number, 15, 16. So consecutive siya kasi yun yung kasunod ng 15, si 16. So yung last, x plus 2. So our x again is 15 plus 2 equals 17. So our 3 consecutive number is 15, 16, 17. Pag i-add natin yun, so check natin ha. Pag i-add natin, magiging 48. Okay, so that is the answer for number 1. Okay, now let's try example number 2. So the same process, we have the sum of 3 consecutive number is 63. So find the number. So ano kaya yung mga numbers na ito? So let x, assign din tayo ng variable again. So the same process with number 1. Basta yung ganito yung problem, ganito lang yung pag-assign ng variable. So x is the first number, x plus 1 is second number, and x plus 2 is our third number. Okay, madali na lang si number 2 kasi alam na natin paano tayo mag-assign ng variable. Take note, isa sa mga pinaka mahirap isolve yung worded problem sa mathematics. Okay? So this is just basic. So coming from the problem, 3 consecutive number or the sum of 3 consecutive number, so need lang natin i-add si x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to then 63. Okay, so x plus x plus x, the result is 3x plus 1 and 2 magiging 3. Then bring down 63. Then again, transpose natin si 3 to the right. So 3x equals 63 minus 3. Then we have 3x equals 63 minus 3 equals 60. Then divide both sides by 3. Okay, the result is x equals 20. So this time our first number is 20. Okay, siya yung basihan natin. So first number is 20. Then we have second number, obviously 20 plus 1 equals 21. So that means 20 plus 1 equals 21. So take note, dapat magkasunod sila kasi nga yung number natin na hinahanap, consecutive number. Okay, so yun yung pangalawang value ng ating number na hinahanap, 21. So obviously, third number is 22. So our value or 3 consecutive number, 20, 21, 23. 20, 21, 22. Pag i-add, magiging 63. Okay, I hope you learn something from this video. Okay, follow for more. Thank you and God bless.